So friends, as you can easily see that in this video we are going to learn how to keep zeros in front of a number in Excel. If you try to type a number that start with 0 in Excel automatically remove the 0 and keep the remaining number in Excel sheet. But sometimes we may need 0 to be there in front of a number. So let's change the behavior. The Excel actually remove 0 automatically, and see how you can do this. So friends, I'm in my Excel sheet, and if I try to type a number that start with 0 like this, if I type something like this and press enter, it automatically removing zeros every time I type a number. But if I do need to have a 0 in front of a number, then I can do one thing. Like if I want to have 0 only in this cell, then I can just select the cell, right click and click format cell and go to text and press OK. And now if I type any number that start with 0, Excel will automatically keep zeros there. Another way of doing, rather quick way of having 0 in front of a number, you can just have comma, apostrophe comma before starting the number, like this, and now I can type and I can have 0 in front of any number in Excel, and Excel will not remove the 0. Okay friends, so these are the two ways that you can try and have 0 and stop Excel from deleting zeros if you need them. If you want, you can, if you want to have the whole column to have 0 enable in front of number, then you can just select the column and right click and go to format cell and select text and then press OK. And anywhere you type any number that start with 0, Excel will not remove the 0. I hope you like the video, and please do subscribe for more videos if you like.